everyone, today we are going to discuss about SQL interview questions in Snowflake. Let us see the question. Table point 2D holds the coordinates x, y of some unique points more than 2 in a plane. Write a query to find the shortest distance between these points rounded to 2 decimals. Here is the table. In a given table named point 2D, we have unique coordinates x, y representing the points in a 2D plane. The task is to write an SQL query that calculates the shortest distance between any 2 points in a table. The result should be rounded to 2 decimal places. Let us see the query for this question. This is the query we are going to write, and this is the expected output. Now let us run this in Snowflake environment. The query execution involves 3 steps. In step 1, we have to create the table point 2D, and step 2, we have to insert the values into the table point 2D. In step 3, we have to write the query. So let me explain this query. Select cast of round of mean square root. This part of the query selects and calculates the shortest distance between any 2 points. Let's break it down for further. From point 2D as T1 and point 2D as T2, the table point 2D is joined with itself using aliases T1 and T2. This allows us to compare each point against every other point in the table. And square root of T1 dot x and this part calculates the Euclidean distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. The formula used is distance is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, as we all know. It finds the difference between the x coordinates, squares it, does the same for the y coordinates, adds the two values and finally takes the square root to get the actual distance. Coming to the where condition, this condition ensures that a point is not compared with itself. Without this condition, the query would include calculations where x, y is compared to itself, resulting in a distance of 0, which is necessary. Since the query computes distance for all pairs of points, the min function retrieves only the smallest distance, which represents the closest pair of points, and the round function ensures that the shortest distance is displayed with 2 decimal places for better readability and accuracy. Cast is used to guarantee consistent formatting. The result is explicitly cast as decimal 10,2, ensuring that even whole numbers like 1 appear as 1.00 in the output. So let us run this query. Here is the output. We have got output as a 1.00. The calculated distances between -1 The calculated distances between -1 and -1, 0 and 0 is 1.1441, and the distance between -1, -1, -1, -2, the distance is 1, and between 0 and 0 and -1 and -2, the distance is 2.24. The min function picks 1.00 as the shortest distance, and cast ensures it displayed as 1.00 rather than just 1. For more training updates, contact Data Engineers Academy. Thank you.